Welcome guys back to my channel. It's Sulfurcat here. So today I will be teaching you on how to make a Therian mask step by step. So these are the materials you will need to make the mask. First of all, we need to modify the shape of the mask. So let's cut his ears off. He's bald! He's bald. Oh my god. And I'm gonna use Eva foam to cover the holes in here. Now we're gonna make the eyes bigger. So with a pencil, you sketch out the shape of the eye and you cut it. So it will look something like this, but you can choose the shape of the eye if you want to. Now we gotta make the ears. So you need to use Eva foam or cardboard to make the ears. So first you need to put the mask like this and sketch out the shape of the ear. So this is a demonstration on how you need to sketch out the ears. So it will look something like this. You can change the shape. Now you need to stick the ears to the mask. So it should look something like this. Now here's the tricky part. Felting. Felting can be very difficult if you rush through the process. So you need to be very slowly and felt it very carefully. First, you will need to start putting glue on the nose. And felt it. Then put glue on this part, like the nose bridge. I don't know how is it called, but I think it's the nose bridge and the forehead. And press it. Don't forget to press it. This is very important to keep the fabric smooth. And do the same thing in the other side. After felting everything, you need to cut it like this. You must leave space like this to then fold it. So after felting, it will look something like this. Now it's time to add fur. So I cut some pieces of fur like this and put it on these places. So this is how it should look like with the fur. So now it's time to paint it. So this is how it's looking so far. Now I need to add the details like the mouth and the nose. So this is the nose that I made with felt. So now it's time to paint it. And this is how it looks like after sticking the nose and letting it to dry. So we can see that the fur is like chunky. So we need to brush it again. Now it's time for the eyes. So I'm using this thing. I don't know how is it called in English, but you can buy it in pharmacies. So this is how the eyes more or less should look like. I use like a olive green, but you can choose the color you want. I really recommend using alcohol markers because it doesn't smudge when it touches water. So now it's time for the elastic. So first, you gotta measure the length of your head. And with the measurements, you cut it and stick it in these parts. And with a piece of felt, you can use it to make sure that it doesn't fall off. So this is how the mask looks like. I'm very proud of it. That's all guys, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you liked it. So, see ya in the next video.